I'd have to say one of the most frustrating things about living in our home here is I have no water pressure at all yet. And it tends to get worse. That, guys, is my water pressure here in my kitchen. Horrible, horrible, horrible. A few days ago it was better, but something messed up, so that's what I got now. So I'm going to see how long it takes me to fill my water. Okay, so I'll let you know. Off-grid is not always what it's cracked up to be. It just isn't. Sometimes it's things like water with no pressure, and I try to remain grateful that at least we have water. We don't have to haul our water, but it can still be very frustrating. Same thing with solar. On the cloudy days, we use a generator, and some things I got to be real careful about. I never do this green teapot, let's say, with my induction burner or anything else that heats up. Oh, see, that's not too horribly bad. It's almost full. So it was 11:34. Probably took a minute or two to fill. That I use all the time. I boil my water to do dishes. We use it for our coffee. That's great. Best gift I received in a long time. That is very useful. Let me see what time it is. Well, that actually took 3 minutes to fill, and that's good to know, because if my pressure stays at that amount, then I know that in 3 minutes I need to turn off the water. You don't know how many times I've done that, turned on my water, left it on, and absolutely forgot about it. And we had a major flooding all over the counter, into the dishwasher here, and into the drawer. So I had to empty out my drawers, which I gotta say is pretty well organized. I totally tore apart my kitchen, guys. And into the pots and pan area down here, it would be all wet. I'd have to clean it up all over my cement floor, my rug, everything. Major flooding.